Welcome to another time. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Linda, and I have been working on this 4-season sunroom, building a window bench, recaulking everything, painting, and having a new floor laid by my son. So today I'm going to show you some of what was done. I'm going to show you what I did, not the work doing it. Let's go with that. So I built a window bench and I just framed it out. Then I used beadboard in the front and trimmed it out and did all the caulking and just totally changed the feel of this room, I'm telling you. And over here, I've got these two little tables. Now, this is one thing I haven't done yet. I have to cut the legs off to the exact height as this because this actually folds out and makes a bed. And these tables are the support for the bed. Clever extra space, makes a nice bed. I have 2 more cushions. For that, I actually bought 6-inch foam and bought cushion covers. They're a little loose and wrinkled, so I'm just going to stick some batting in the ends of them to help alleviate that looseness. But everything's been painted and caulked, and I still have some trim to put down. You can see that trim's loose, it's not anchored. And then over here, I just bought a shoe caddy, and I had this shelf over here. But yeah, I have a desk with my laser engraver, and this is just a neat little room. I can't wait till I can get the air conditioner out of it for the winter time so that I can not look at that ugly brown air conditioner. In the next couple of days, there's going to be a lot of work done. One is we're going to be adding some gates to my pasture fence. I'm going to have Orion out here helping do that. We're going to go ahead and put a gate right over here. Maybe a bigger gate, I'm not sure yet. The closest gates are way over there and way over there. The next thing I'm going to have him do is have him run a temporary divider in between this pen so that we can move the lambs into that side with the barn. Hi, little guy. How are you doing? You see his little blonde hair? He is just so cute. This is Sparky. Mr. Sparkles. Thanks to Jennifer Ocean Homestead and her wanting to name him Sparkles. We named him Sparky. Called him Little Spark for a while. He almost didn't make it, but he's here, and he's like half the size of his brother. He's just tiny, tiny. He's also going to be putting a gate over here as well on this section. And we'll probably just use this gate there that's leaning up against the fence. He's going to be actually putting new posts in and fixing this fence between this pen or this paddock and the barn. The barn's going to get worked on, not right away, but soon. This messy gate that's all blocked up is going to become fence, and that fence is going away. I think we're going to take all of our goats to auction because they have just been a headache and tear things up, and I'd like to get things repaired because they're rough. They've tore our fence up, tore the barn up, tore this fence up. Sheep are hard, but not anything like this. Make this one open paddock from the barn all the way to the telephone pole. Then if we have to, we can move the sheep in here over the winter time and open up the barn so they can just get in and out of the barn, close off the other entrances. Never again will I have goats. I said that before. I don't know why I got them, but I've caused my husband to have to chase goats, and he never wanted any goats either, so never again. And I've got wood laying here for the other side of this fence. If you look down it, I've got a board that, several of them that are just bowing. And so my way of fixing that is going to be to add another board to it. Not sure yet, haven't decided. Put another board on, take off the decorative boards, put another board and screw it tight. And see if that doesn't help. Hopefully it will. I may just replace those boards and put all of these boards on and use those boards for something else. Another one of our projects is to get all of Brad's stuff into the shed. Get this area cleaned out entirely, and then get it all insulated and drywalled. I have the drywall over here. And so we're going to insulate and drywall this whole area and close it off so he has a area where no cats can get to, or you know, he can heat it. After we get that insulated and drywalled, we're going to be pulling out all of this, my food storage room and my storage room, going through all the food to see what's still good and what needs to be replaced. This stuff is going to come out, get gone through, and then put neatly back in there. And then we will be putting a ceiling on, drywalling the ceiling in here. Right now there's just foam boards stuck up there just to kind of keep stuff out, but it's not doing a good job. We are going to be taking care of that. But there's a lot to pull out. I have a lot of food storage in here, and as you can see, when we get that done, then I can finally finish my shop, my wood shop, because I love to build, and I love to build. I want to build more furniture. I've only built a table and some cornhole boards, and I really want to build some more things. So not much of a video today, but I wanted to put one out and just tell you what's been going on. Just have been really busy trying to get this room done, getting other things done before winter, want to make sure the animals are all taken care of. And that's not the half of it. Still have to move Brad's fence by the cabin and move it to the back of the cabin. And then we're going to build a dog house for his dogs as well, because they don't play well with my dog. We're going to be doing that too. And probably building a shed out back. So I'll keep you posted. There's lots coming, so make sure you stay tuned. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway on the 17th on my live at 7 p.m. You need to make sure you go there, because a company had reached out to me, Airthreal, and they want me to give away to 2 of my lucky viewers. Sorry, my kitty cat's making noise. To 2 of my lucky viewers, they wanted me to give away 2 air purifiers that have a humidifier in them built into it. It's really neat. Very nice. Very, very nice. So stay tuned and be sure to watch the promoted video that's coming out. And I will see you later. I almost forgot my countertop. I got new cabinets in my kitchen for my island, and I'm going to be replacing those as well. And we have new countertops coming. So all the countertops are going to be replaced. I can hardly wait. Yep, there's my table I built.